Hello and welcome to my workplace. Embroidery is my life, and when I embroider, I always have my good friend New Brothread by my side. New Brothread has embroidery thread kits in 500 meters, 1000 meters, huge spools 5000 meters. They also have metallic threads or the variegated threads. For your bobbin thread, you can buy the box of 25 pieces. You can choose the huge spools in bobbin thread, or when you prefer pre-wound, there is a box of 144 pieces. When you embroider, you also need stabilizer. New Brothread has stabilizer, cut away, tear away, wash away, in rolls or in pre-cut sheets. You can also buy craft supplies at New Brothread. New Brothread, your one-stop service for all your successful projects.